The start of the new year also means the start of new laws. One of those includes a new law which aims at giving officers more rights and protects them from community harassment. Our Beth Yates has details.
The law creates a new crime defined as the Bias-Motivated Police Intimidation Act, and those who break it can serve up to 5 years in jail or be fined up to $5,000.
We're finding more people challenging us now than they ever have before.
This interview with Vince Champion from the International Brotherhood of Police Officers was conducted back in June. At the time, protests about police brutality were at an all-time high. Back then, Champion told us officers felt unsupported.
We understand and what we sign up for when we sign up to be a cop. We understand that it's not a pretty job. We understand we could get hurt or even killed. We understand that we could be in a lawsuit. What we don't understand and what we don't accept is that the DA and everybody to come actually looking for us.
But as of January 1st, officers have additional protection in a new law called Bias-Motivated Intimidation of First Responders and Protection Act. The legislation states a person will serve 1 to 5 years in prison if found guilty of maliciously harassing a first responder, causing bodily harm, death, or damage to property. But activists like Atlanta City Commissioner Antonio Brown says it isn't the officers who need protection, and he points to the countless unarmed minorities killed at the hands of police officers as evidence.
It's extremely unfortunate because people have lost their lives and become martyrs in the face of change in our city, state, and country. And this is a complete disrespect to their families.
Brown adds the new police protection law does more harm than good because it makes it harder to hold officers who commit crimes accountable.
I believe these new protections Governor Kemp signed into law are reactive and a complete slap in the face of all the community organizers, activists, and local municipalities that have worked tirelessly, not just during the unrest we've seen over the last year, but over the last decade to bridge the divide between police and community.
The new law also allows officers to bring civil suits against any person or group that violates their officer civil rights. Beth Yates, CBS 46 News.